Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetiani nga. Hindi ka jingit ka jong ayapi. Kanam kala.
Arbsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ha. Try ko ivi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.
Ka Sorkar jela kelada banpia eki kambaya day bat ka jingpen thabai ki linti surok dagi street light hashlong bat ban sedang ban penku eki wayar ki pasdien renjan hai ki narpost hai ki benta bakongsan jong kendong ba ong usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba snga bhalang dhar ha ka khatsan trik naitung kum umintri ubabat yakatanan urban affairs ula ong ru baya kini ki jingpen bit penbiang ya kini ki kam on shimti da katanan municipal bond katanan boarding ringkat ka smart city khnang ban light na kajinga tingkhu ngila rai ba ki street light hakikat tu kan ki jaka on penbit penbiang da ka municipal bond kumjo e ki benta bala terwa bat maramat on page ru da katanan boarding bat smart city uloong ka detailed project report DPR na kabenta ka project ban bo e ki street light kaladam bat ka jingamir jingmut bat ki rang ba shnong kadang ya chakman ban ithu ikijaka bakham kongsan ngidang penkre ban khmi shwai ikijaka ki bakham kongsan hakawat ka beningkong baro kijaka ki bakongsan kinyo iki street line bat ikiba on khmi bat sumar da municipal board kat ba kindan ki kattu ka ni kijaka yakiba on khmi da katanat boarding ong uba snga bhalang hakabaya debat ki wayar ki ba no renjan hakinar post hakelengkar sorba ula ong ba labatha yakatanat urban bakan shim ki sinjam ki badan kam usembut menteri rangba ula ong bakila dapan jurip ki jaka bat ngila airu ka jingpen bana ngin yale ban kenthop ya baro ki jaka ki bakongsan khnang bangin la ban wengno ikini ki wayar ki bano renjan da ka jingthmu ban penlong ya kasor shlong ka bakhuj bat ba itanan
already on the job. We had decided so all the street lighting from now on will be maintained by the municipal board in some areas, and mainly since you are talking about the street light, there is some part maintenance and proposed by the power department, and there is some part by the smart steaming under the municipal board. So we are yet to finalize where to. The project is now DPR is prepared. Even you know very well. So there is meeting from time to time between all the headmen of the Shillong agglomerations. And they are submitted proposals with requesting the government to put some of the important places. And now we are working out where to put for the first phase. But we have decided one thing. So from now, maybe I'm not really remember. Almost all these important areas it will be put by the municipal board and it will be maintained by this municipal board also. And yes, obviously there is some areas which has been maintained and put by the power department. That's why, because there is confusion before, so now we have come to conclusion there will be no more confusions. We only specify the area whom to look, which department, whether municipal or power department.
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan wa iyan. Dan wa susuyan.
Pila benar tetiani nga. Hindi ka jingit ka jong ayapi. Kanam kala.
Arbsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyugan lang katway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news po ha. Try ko ivi ngin sa kendo komplisibon. Amen.